All right, good morning, friends. This morning we're going to continue working with our number lines. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to listen to a word problem. And we're going to figure out, or it's like a little story, we're going to figure out whether we need to go forward on our number line or whether we need to go backwards on our number line. So we're going to listen for key words in our story this morning that are going to tell us whether we're going to be adding our two groups together or are we going to be taking something away from the group. So understanding when to use addition and when to use subtraction is really important. And we're going to be like detectives. So we're going to listen to the story and then we're going to think about what are they asking us at the end? Are they asking us how many we have in all, meaning I've put them all together? Or are they asking us how many do I have left, meaning that some went away, okay? So we're going to be math detectives this morning as we listen to these little stories and figure out whether we need to go forward on our number line, meaning adding things together, or if we have to go backwards on our number line, meaning we're taking something away from the group, okay? We've practiced both, and this morning what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can be detectives and listen for those key words in a story to tell us whether we're going to add or subtract, okay? All right, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to look and make sure that you are on the paper that says, the side that says max. Max. Can you please look and make sure that that's the side you're on? Because there are 2 pages that we're going to work on this morning. But I want to make sure you're on the one that says max, okay? So let's just make sure. Okay, I'm going to underline max because that's what I want you to be looking to make sure you have, okay? All right. I'm going to put my name at the top of my paper. Okay, and I'm going to keep my camera focused on my paper this morning so you can see exactly what I'm doing, okay? All right, I'm going to read the story. Listen carefully. Max bought 6 toys at the store. Okay, so we know Max bought 6 toys when he went to the store. His sister bought 4 toys. Okay, so Max bought 6 toys. His sister bought 4 toys. How many toys did they buy in all? Okay, so Max went to the store and bought 6 toys. His sister was with him and she bought 4 toys. They're asking us now, how many toys do they have in all? That word all, does that tell me that they want me to put those groups together? They do. They want to know if Max has 6 toys and his sister bought 4 toys, how many toys do they have in all, or how many toys do they have together? All right, so that right there, if I'm thinking in all, that means I'm going to add my groups together. All right, so let's take a look. Let's do the first thing and let's draw our picture. So the first part of our story was Max bought how many toys? He bought 6 toys. So let's draw Max's 6 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then his sister, what did she do? She bought 4 toys. So let's add her 4 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I have Max's 6 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I have his sister's 4 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's go down to our number line. Okay. So the first thing we know is Max bought 6 toys. So we know that we're going to start at the 6 because that's how many toys Max bought. We don't have to count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They told us Max bought 6 toys. How many toys did his sister buy? 4, right? So we have to, and if we're going to find out how many in all, that means we're going to add. So we're going to go forward on our number line. Let's go 4 hops for his sister's 4 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4. What did we land on? We landed on the 10. Let's go up and check our picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are we right? We are. Let's go down and write our equation down here now. How many toys did Max have? He bought 6, right? How many toys did his sister buy? She bought 4. 6 plus 4 equals, well, we solved it on the number line and we also solved it up here, equals how many? 10. Very good. So the answer is, how many toys did they buy in all? They bought 10 toys. Very good. All right, let's go down to the next one. Okay, I'm going to go down to number 2. Put your finger on number 2 for me, okay? Listen carefully. Colin has 5 pieces of candy. Okay, so Colin has 5 pieces of candy. Let's go over our picture right now and let's draw those 5 pieces of candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's Colin's 5 pieces of toys. Let's read the next part. He eats 2 pieces of the candy. So he had 5 pieces of candy. He ate 2 of them. Let's see what they want us to find out. How much candy does he have now? So right now they want to know. He had 5 pieces of candy. Does he have 5 anymore? Not right now. Why? Because he ate 2 of those pieces. If they want to know how many pieces of candy he has now, are we going to add those pieces he ate in? Or do we need to take them away because he ate them? We need to take them away because he ate them. So if they're asking me, how many does he have left now? That means that I'm going to subtract. Very good. All right, so how can I show for those 2 pieces of candy that he ate? I put my X's on them. Very good. All right, so let's go down to our number line. How many pieces of candy did Colin have to start? He had 5, right? So where do I start on my number line? I'm going to start at my 5. But what did he do? He ate 2 of them. So I can't go forward, right? I can't add those in that he ate. I have to go backwards and take them away. So let's go a hop for each piece of candy he ate. 1, 2. Where did I land? On the 3. Let's go up and see if that's how many pieces of candy he had. He has now 1, 2, 3. Very good. So 5. Take away 2 of those pieces. He has 3 now. And we solved it on our number line too. Okay? So now let's go down and write our number sentence. How many pieces of candy did Colin have to start? He had 5. Very good. How many pieces did he eat? Minus the 2 that he ate equals, how many does he have now? We solved it with our picture and we also solved it using our number line, right? He has 3 pieces of candy. So how many pieces of candy does he have left? He has 3 pieces of candy left. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and turn our page over. You're doing great. All right, we're looking at this part. It says Fred. Okay, can you make sure that yours says ed, Fred, up at the top? All right, I'm going to underline it so you can see and make sure that that's the one you're looking. Make sure you're looking at that one, okay? It should say Fred, ed. Okay, now listen carefully, okay? This time, they're going to talk about dollars, but dollars are just things. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to use circles, even though they're saying the word dollars. We're not going to count money or anything like that. We're just going to keep it with objects, okay? So we're going to use circles for this one too. We're going to listen again. We're going to be detectives. We're going to try to figure out, do they want us to add these groups together or do they want us to take something away? We have to listen for what happens, okay? Okay, listen carefully. Fred earned $4 washing his dad's car. So he made $4, okay? Let's write those $4 over here. We'll just use circles. $1, $2, $3, $4. Okay, there's Fred's $4 that he made washing his dad's car. Okay, all right, now let's read the next part. He earned $5 washing his uncle's car. Okay, so if he earned it, that means he gets it, right? Okay, so if you're getting something, you're not taking it away, right? So if he earns $5, that means he gets $5 more, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are his $5 that he got for washing his uncle's car. Okay. How much money did Fred earn in all? Okay, so let's listen. Let's be detectives. So he got $4 for washing his dad's car. And then he washed his dad's car, his uncle's car, and he got $5 more. Okay, so he didn't lose any money. They didn't say he lost it or his uncle took it away. He earned $5 more. They want to know how many dollars did Fred earn in all. Remember on the other one, when we hear that in all, that means all together. We can be a detective and say, they're asking me how much I have in all. That means all together. So let's take a look. So Fred earned $4. Okay, so let's go to our number line down here. So we know Fred had earned $4. Then he got $5 more for washing his uncle's car. So are we going to go forward or do we need to go backward? Did he lose money? Did they take it away? Or did he get more? He got more. And how much more did he get? $5. So let's do a hop for each dollar he earned for washing his uncle's car, because we already have his dad's car right here. 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dollars did Fred earn? Well, my number line says 9. Let's go up and check our picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do they match? They do. Good job. All right, so let's go down here. So 4, that's how much Fred had to start, right? $4. And then how many more dollars did he earn? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He got $5 more, so we did a jump for each dollar. 4 plus 5 equals how many dollars? Well, our picture says 9, and our number line says 9. Very good. So 4 plus 9, this is reading. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Good job. So how many dollars does he have? He has $9. Good job. All right, let's do one more down at the bottom. You're doing great, okay? All right, let's take a listen. Listen to this one. Josie got 9 presents for her birthday. Okay, she got 9 presents. So let's draw those 9 presents and we'll use squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so Josie is very lucky. She gets 9 presents for her birthday. Let's listen to the next thing that happens. She opened 4 presents. She opened 4 presents. Okay, so she opened them. She opens them. Are they wrapped up anymore? No, they're not. So how could we show that she opened them? What could we put on them to say, these ones are opened? Because listen what they're going to ask us. How many more presents does Josie need to open? Okay, so she has those 9 presents she got for her birthday. She opened 4 of them. Okay, so that means they don't go away. They're still her presents. But what they're asking us is, how many presents does she have left to still open? Right? That's the question. Because if that's what they're saying, how many more presents does she still need to open? Well, that means how many more presents are left for her to open up. What could we do with those 4 presents that she opened so we know she's already opened them? We could put an X on it. Very good. So let's do that. She opened 1 present, 2 presents, 3 presents, 4 presents. Okay? So these are her presents that she still has left to open. All right, so is she getting more presents here? No, this is what she has left to open. So she had all of these presents to open, but then she took some of those away because she opened them. So this is what she has left. And remember, when we hear that, how many do they have left? That means things have been taken away. And if things have been taken away, we go how on the number line? We go backwards. When things go away, we go backwards on the number line. So let's take a look. All right, so we know Josie got 9 presents to start, right? So let's go over to our number 9 here, okay? How many presents did she open of that group? She opened 4 of the presents. Let's go a hop for each present she opened. 1, 2, 3, 4. On our number line, how many presents does it say Josie still has left to open? 5. Let's go up and check our picture to see if we're right, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do they match? They sure do. All right, so let's go down and write our number sentence. How many presents did she have to start? She had 9. Very good. How many presents did she open? Of those 9, how many did she open? Well, we marked 4 on our picture and we did a hop for each one on our number line. We went backwards 4 times, right? So she opened 4 of her presents. That means on our number line and in our picture, how many presents does she have left to open? Well, we landed on the 5, and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 9 minus 4 equals 5. So how many presents does she need to still open? 5 presents. All right. My friends, great job using those number lines this morning. Great job being math detectives. It's really important when we're hearing a math story to figure out, are we going to add the things together or are we taking some away? All right, my friends, great job using that number line and using those addition and subtraction word problems this morning. I'm proud of you. Good job.